MSP Engineering has been engaged by Tianqi Lithium to design and construct the world's largest lithium hydroxide facility. The facility is being built in response to the increasing demand for lithium hydroxide as a key material in lithium rechargeable batteries used in various downstream applications, including electric vehicles, home energy storage, power tools, and consumer electronics. Tianqi is one of the world's largest vertically integrated producers of lithium chemicals and intends to increase its lithium hydroxide capacity by up to 40,000 tonnes per annum by 2020 by building the lithium hydroxide processing plant in Western Australia. According to Roskill, a leading lithium industry analyst, global demand for lithium hydroxide monohydrate is expected to increase at a compound annual growth rate of 15%, with demand growing to 126,000 tonnes per annum in 2025. The feedstock for the LHPP will be sourced from Tianqi's 51% owned Greenbushes lithium mine in Western Australia, which is recognised as the largest and highest grade lithium mineral deposit in the world. Once the spodumene feedstock has been mined and processed, it will be transported 250 kilometres by truck along the forest highway to the lithium hydroxide processing plant in Kwinana. This location provides a number of strategic advantages. Its close proximity to the Greenbushes mine allows for stable and secure supply. There are a large number of reagent suppliers based in the area, and the Kwinana Industrial Complex is home to a very experienced pool of workers. The lithium hydroxide will be produced using the conventional lithium sulfate process route as practiced by Tianqi at its Shihong operation in China. The feedstock is fed into a rotary calciner, which converts the crystal structure from the alpha to beta form. The calcined spodumene is then mixed with sulfuric acid, roasted and subjected to water leaching to extract lithium sulfate. The lithium sulfate is purified and converted into lithium hydroxide, which is then evaporated before being chilled and centrifuged to remove sodium sulfate. The remaining process liquor is heated and evaporated to crystallize lithium hydroxide prior to drying and packaging. Once the product is packaged, it will be delivered to the nearby port of Fremantle to be exported to customers worldwide. The lithium hydroxide processing plant will have direct access to a competitively priced supply of gas, power and water. The project is being fast-tracked with commencement in September 2016 and commissioning in October 2018. During construction, over 400 people will be employed either directly or through service providers. Once operational, Stage 1 will employ 115 full-time staff. The lithium hydroxide processing plant will be the world's largest state-of-the-art facility. It will produce the highest quality battery-grade lithium hydroxide in the marketplace, whilst adopting world's best practice in regards to safety and environmental sustainability. MSP looks forward to continuing to build on the excellent relationship with Tianqi and ensuring the successful delivery of the lithium hydroxide processing plant, and ultimately positioning Tianqi as the world's largest supplier of quality lithium products. In October 2016, Tianqi approved the development of the new state-of-the-art, large-scale lithium hydroxide processing plant in Kwinana, Western Australia. 1 year later, Train 1 is on target for commissioning in the fourth quarter of 2018, and Tianqi has announced it will proceed with a second train at the Kwinana site. Continuing from Train 1, Tianqi appointed MSP Engineering to undertake a detailed feasibility study for Train 2, which was delivered in October 2017. Based on that study and wide forecasts that the consumption of lithium hydroxide as a key material in the manufacture of lithium-ion batteries will continue to grow rapidly, Train 2 will be a duplication of Train 1. Tianqi has also retained MSP Engineering as lead contractor for Train 2, and with all statutory and regulatory approvals in place, construction commenced in November 2017 on land immediately adjacent to Train 1. Train 2 will take advantage of common infrastructure and services, including the spodumene receival system, the TAS filtration and disposal system, the non-process infrastructure, and the product bagging and storage facility. The strong relationships MSP Engineering developed with our suppliers and contractors during work on Train 1 have been carried forward into Train 2, and the project is on track for commissioning in the fourth quarter of 2019. Once Train 2 is complete, the Kwinana lithium hydroxide facility will have a capacity of 48,000 tonnes per annum of high-purity, battery-grade lithium hydroxide and will be the world's largest lithium hydroxide producer. The Kwinana facility will produce the highest quality lithium hydroxide and, at full capacity, will be one of the most globally competitive lithium hydroxide producers. Tianqi selected Kwinana as the location for the facility because it offers ready access to a skilled workforce, world-class manufacturing capability, and industrial power, water, and gas networks. All reagents will be sourced locally, and the plant's byproducts, including aluminous silicate and sodium sulfate, can be placed into established local and regional markets. Local content will reach 80% and includes more than 500 items of mechanical and electrical equipment, 20 kilometres of pipework, 2,000 tonnes of structural steel, and 10,000 cubic metres of concrete. Technical process equipment has been sourced in Australia wherever possible. Train 2 will add a further 200 construction jobs for a peak of 500 and will lift the number of full-time operating personnel at the two plants to more than 150. MSP Engineering is proud to have been selected to lead both stages of this exciting project and work alongside Tianqi to safely deliver a world-class, state-of-the-art, environmentally sustainable project, which will support the continued expansion of the electric vehicle and new energy industries.